We understand that from time to time you may need to export your organization's inspections in bulk, to analyze the data in another program such as Excel, or share data with someone outside your organization, or simply for record keeping. With Pulse you can export your data in an Excel format at any time. In this video we will be taking a look at how to export the data from the Pulse web app. To export inspections in an Excel format, first log into the Pulse web app and click on the dashboard located on the left menu. Now click on Others located on the top of the page and then click on Exports. Pulse gives you an option to download a detailed question export or just a summary export. Depending on your requirement you can select the export type. Please note that the detailed question export can be taken for a period of 10 days at a time. You can then select the data range. The checklist and then click on Generate. If you wish to narrow down your export further you can always add the country, city, and location filter. Once done you can click on Generate. Now you will be able to see how your data would export before you proceed with taking the export. Once the data looks fine, you can then scroll down at the end and click on the Export button. You will immediately be able to download the export to your desktop or laptop.